Whether you choose Select Party or Create New Party, you are then directed to the Enter Party Information screen. If you select Create New Party, you are given the additional option of editing the first, middle, and last name on the party information screen. Remember, only select this option if you did not find an exact match to the name, as shown on the complaint. Also remember, party names must be entered in compliance with the standards for entering party names in CM, ECF, which you can find on our website under Attorneys and Civil Case Opening. You're required to enter information in fields with a green check. These include role and pro se fields. For role, the system automatically defaults to plaintiff for all parties. You must select the role of the party that matches the party role on the initiating document. It's important to select the correct role, as it will determine how the party is displayed on the docket, and what events they can file and answer. For pro se, select whether the party is representing themselves. The majority of the time, this should be set to no. Never select pro se allowed to file electronically. There are also fields that must be filled in if the party is pro se, and if the information is available. Address, state, zip, city, country, and phone should only be filled in if the party is pro se. If you selected no in the pro se field, then you will leave these fields blank. The party text field should only be filled in if there is party text on the initiating document. If there is no party text, then leave this field blank. Never enter aliases in this field. These are added on the party tree, which we will discuss later in this module. All other fields remain as is. In our example case, Dorothy Moore is the plaintiff and is not pro se. This means we will leave the pro se field at no, and the address lines will be left blank. Dorothy also does not have any party text, so that field will be left blank too. Before proceeding further, you'll want to review the screen carefully to ensure all fields are filled in correctly. Once you are confident that your party information is correct and complete, select Add Party. After selecting Add Party, your party's name appears in the participant tree. To continue adding additional parties, select Add New Party. Repeat this process until all parties are added and are listed in the participant tree. Be sure to pay attention to party name standards and how the names appear on the complaint. In our example case, be sure to include L, without a period, as a middle initial for Andrea Young. Also, make sure there are no punctuations in all party names including Doctors Clinic Incorporated. Finally, don't forget to add party text for the parties that have it on the initiating document. In our case, we would want to add Sargent and a Washington Company as party text for Andrea L. Young and Doctors Clinic Incorporated, respectively.